Okay, so this is my first look at the LG UM7600. This TV is the same as the cheaper UM7400 model, but with the addition of a magic remote, an extra HDMI socket and a more premium silver aluminium finish. The magic remote has a microphone allowing you to use Think AI plus Google Assistant to voice control this TV. Search the web for BBC News. You can also control the TV with a separate Amazon Alexa device. This video is mainly to show connectivity, how well the smart TV works, and also what smart TV services you get. This set has both aerial and satellite inputs. It officially supports FreeSat, so you will get a FreeSat guide and the channels will be ordered correctly and for your region. Connectivity is good with 4 HDMI and 2 USB sockets, and also optical output, which comes in handy for connecting a soundbar. Older analog connections are a welcome addition, as some other TVs are making it difficult to plug in older equipment. There is a sound test at the end, but bear in mind it was recorded on an iPhone 7 at around 5 feet away. The sound quality is very good for a modern TV with plenty of volume. I recommend a soundbar if you wish to be more immersed in music or movies. The picture quality is very good for an entry-level TV. The picture processing is great, smoothing motion but still keeping the picture crisp. Viewing angles are good for an LED TV. The smart TV platform is as usual well equipped with apps for Now TV, Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. The excellent Freeview Play app gives you a wide selection of free content easily searchable. It's a great way of finding what movies are free to watch. LG's screen share is supported, although for some reason I couldn't seem to mirror my LG phone to it. The home dashboard has a phenomenal amount of complex control for home automation fans. Luckily, if you just want a simple to use, quick and easy smart TV, this TV also delivers. Apple Airplay and Apple HomeKit are promised but not yet available, so you will be able to mirror content from your Apple device in the future. I will add in the comments when it shows up. Bluetooth audio is supported for external speakers or headphones. Features this TV doesn't have, well, not a lot really. The only thing I can think of is there is no BT Sport or BT TV app, but that's not uncommon. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.
Alright, so I've talked a lot about searching for the perfect laptop. I've been having a lot of fun trying to zero in on the ultimate laptop for me personally.
Search the web for BBC News.
Going to bbc.co.uk.